Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are gonna do another faux lock video. So I did a faux lock video before and I did individual plaits all over and then encased my hair inside the crochet lock. So I'll link that video below. But these are the little free hoops they gave me. I have not put any of the accessories in. Let me see. I'm gonna just put like one in, cause guys, I'm like not that person. Like I don't like all these jewels and stuff in my hair. But I'm gonna just show you guys what like some of them look like. But you know, they're just like regular jewels, which I'm pretty sure you guys have seen these. So it's not like this is something new. But like these little jewels, it ain't really it for me. That's not really, I don't really like that look so much. I don't think it really, I just don't like it. But anyway, I am 5'2", and the 18-inch, they come down past to my little pregnant belly. They come down pretty long. Like they come pretty much to my waist. This is how we're looking in the back. If you don't like the wave as much, if you take them and stretch them out, then guess what? The wave comes out. I like to pull some of them out so they're not all wavy, just so it can look a little bit more lived in, I guess you would say. Now this is how long it probably took me. At like 10 minutes on this one. I did do individual box braids around my perimeter, but I didn't do individuals all throughout. Like, I'm 9 months pregnant, ain't nobody got time. Now, doing it this way, you will find that it's a lot heavier. Not like you're falling over, your head's falling over, but it is a little bit heavier than doing it individual. I put the hair in my tub with some hot water and some white vinegar and a little bit of shampoo, and just let them soak for about 40 minutes. And that got all the gunk out. And then it also, guys, gets the shine out, because when they come, they look like shiny. And so, if you can tell, the hair looks a little bit more like dull, and that's what I like. I don't like it to look like shiny and oily, like it just doesn't look realistic. So I feel like when it has that dull look from being cleaned, it just looks better. Guys, if this is something that you are interested in, make sure you hit the subscribe button, smash that bell so that you're notified when I put out videos every Friday at 11 o'clock, and give me some thumbs up, comment down below, and let's get to this video.
I think you're beautiful, I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down.
Bag. It came in a bag like this. That is the name of the company. And I got 18-inch and 8 packs of the faux locks, and it also came with some cute little hoops. I'm not really a hoop person, but it was nice. And it came with some little jewels. I'm also not a jewel person, but nice gesture. And then usually crochet hair usually comes with a crochet hook. So and then it comes like this in an individual pack. but it comes like this, and with these little loops around them, just so you can kind of keep everything nice and organized. And so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 locks come on each loop. And so I've already pre-washed this hair. I've already pre-cleansed this hair, so it's nice and clean. If I have time to, if I'm not like in a rush, I like to always pre-cleanse my crochet hair, just because you just never know what type of stuff is on it, and so get the stuff off. I'm gonna start with 4 packs, and we will see how it goes. It came with 8, so I'm gonna see. The last time I did this, I did the individual locks where you actually plait your hair and you tuck your hair inside the locks. That didn't work as well for me because my hair kept coming out of the locks. And so it was so cute. I love the locks. They were nice and light. But because my hair kept coming out, it kept frustrating me and it just didn't look good. So I did not like that look. So I was like, well, let me just do an illusion that I've done on individual. And that's what I did with my braid patterns, just try to make it look like individual sections. So that's the attempt that I'm doing today, so that my hair doesn't have to be tucked inside the locks and all of that, running the risk of it coming loose again. So just like a traditional, if you've seen any of my other videos, you already know kind of how to crochet, I guess. But when you're going in, you want to always make sure your latch hook is open. And then once you get the hair hooked on the loop, you want to close that latch hook and then pull it out. So you never want to go in with the latch hook closed. We're going to go ahead and start the timer. And so the locks sometimes are a little bit tighter at the loop. So sometimes it's a little bit harder to get the hair through that loop because the loops are usually a little bit tighter than like some of the other crochet hair. But so it takes a little bit more time to open up the locks, which I don't particularly like all the time because it kind of slows you down, because you gotta like literally fit your whole finger through and trying to get it through the actual small little crochet hook that they give you. I mean, the little crochet loop that they give you. But we're gonna just work it out. Like I said, this is 4 packs that I've opened, so it's a lot easier, guys, to, if you already have it open, to just go ahead and prep all your hair and just open up the packs that you think you're going to use, right? So you're not like, opening up each individual one. So, and I do have a mirror behind me, so I'm kind of like trying to look behind to see. And I'm going by touch because I braided my hair. Now this was the longest process. The braiding process is the longest process. For me, this time it took me a very long time because if you watch my channel, you already know, I am pregnant, and I am actually 9 months pregnant. So, braiding my hair for this install was not fun. Let me just say that. And with everything with COVID, you know, when you're having a baby, they want you to quarantine for at least 2 weeks before you have the baby. So this is how the back looks, guys. So hopefully you can see that. So it's starting to look, it's already looking good. So, but yeah, you have to quarantine for 2 weeks so that, you know, you're ready for the baby. And so I tried to wait because I was going to get somebody else. Like, I was really like, I'm just going to pay for somebody else to do my hair. And I wasn't even going to pay. I was just going to pay for somebody to braid it down because I knew that was going to be the hardest process. The hardest part is the braid down because I just hate braiding my own hair. Like, I hate it. So, I was just going to pay for somebody to braid my hair in the pattern that I have it, and then I was just going to crochet it myself. Like, you know, because I know people, I'm a hairstylist, so I know people. I have friends that are stylists, and so it would have been fine. But because I had to quarantine, I didn't want to be like, you know, risking, you know, catching C19, and then, you know, I have to like move my my date back because I finally got a date for my cesarean. So I was like, if I catch, you know, the C19, then I'm gonna have to move my date back, and, you know, just all this other kind of stuff that I just did not want to be involved. So I was just like, okay, I have to talk myself into doing my hair. So your girl had to go ahead and do it herself. So I was not pleased at all that I had to braid it. So it took me like, needless to say, I say all that to say, it took me like 7 hours to braid my hair, okay? Which, this braid pattern is not even that serious, so it should not have taken me, on a normal day, this would probably take me, you know, let's see, I need to adjust this mirror. I don't really have my other mirror down here, so it's a little funky situation. Because I feel like I'm putting 2 locks on one braid because I can't see what I'm doing. But anyway, so it took me 7 hours to braid my hair down because I had to stop, and I was just getting tired, then I was getting hungry, and I just had to keep stopping. Like, it was just not a fun experience, just saying. So something that would take an hour at most for me to do, it took me 7. I could have got it done earlier, but I was like, let me wait, because I didn't want it to get like get old, and then like my hair wouldn't last either. So I was like, you know, I'll just probably try to keep them in for 2 months, for at least 2 months, hopefully, you know, throughout my whole time that I'll be recovering from my C-section. So that was my plan. So I was trying to wait it out, not knowing that, you know, not thinking about, okay, well, if you wait it out, you know, how are you gonna get somebody to braid your hair and be on quarantine? So it was a whole situation. But yeah, I am 9 months pregnant, guys. So I am like right there. Like, I am so, I'm like at the end, and I'm so excited. Super duper excited about having a boy, and you know, I'm just extra happy, like so happy. You want to open up your loop. You want to have your hair in the loop open. You want your crochet hook to be open. Okay, so the crochet hook is open. I like to go really close to the base so it can look really natural. You're gonna hook that hair on that open hook, close it, pull it through, and while that hook is still open, you're gonna take the end of that hair, close it through. This is gonna help feed the rest of the hair through that loop, and then you're gonna slide it through. And that's how you get that piece in there. Okay, I'm gonna do it again, up close and personal. So right here, I'm gonna try to close in this gap. And some people go through the braid, but because my hair is so fine, and my hair likes to come loose very easily, when I do my crochet foundations, I go underneath. That way that loop actually creates a hole onto my braid a lot better than just going through the braid. Let's go here, there, close it, open, and pull through. It closes that little braid. It has that braid from that illusion plait situation, and then I'm gonna do another one right here at the base. There. And I just like to hold the base when I'm doing it, so I'm not like pulling my hair too much. And there we go. And then it looks from here, it looks like it's pretty natural. Hopefully you saw a new braid pattern that you're like, I think I can do this. And then also, if you like this hair, then I will link that down below that I got from Amazon. I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. You keep telling me it's been a while. Let me tell you something.